Sorry about that, guys. I had a bit of technical difficulties trying to get my stuff to work. Dear God.
The following are the latest national temperature extremes for the lower 48 states. High Monday, 86 at Rio Grande Village, Texas.
Why do you hit me?
Low Tuesday, 15 below zero at Clayton Lake, Maine. This product is updated around 7 a.m. and p.m. each day. The current time is 6:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time weather conditions across central Kentucky. At Fort Knox, it was clear. The temperature was 57 degrees, the dew point 20, and the relative humidity 23%. The wind was south at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.18 inches and rising. At Louisville International, it was clear. The temperature was 59 degrees, the dew point 21, and the relative humidity 23%. The wind was variable at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.20 inches and rising. At Bowling Green, it was clear. The temperature was 59 degrees, the dew point 23, and the relative humidity 25%. The wind was southwest at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.22 inches and rising. And once again, at Fort Knox it was 57 degrees under clear skies. Elsewhere around the region, throughout the region, it was clear. It was 55 at Lexington, 56 at Frankfort, 57 at Jackson, and 61 at Nashville. Paducah reported 61, Owensboro reported 58, and Jasper reported 57. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for north central Kentucky.
Oh God, here we go! Got the stream up. Oh, there we go.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device and the Emergency Alert System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe
They're
weather
about to
and
relay
or
that.
hazards in south central
I hope they do.
Indiana and central Kentucky. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time,
Shoot.
and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local
Turn
time.
this up.
When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or hazard day.
Focus.
This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Louisville from a transmitter near Elizabethtown on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz with a rebroadcast from a transmitter in Ekron and Meade County on a frequency of 162.45 megahertz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In south central Indiana, Floyd and Harrison. In north central Kentucky, Breckenridge, Bullitt, Hardin, Jefferson, LaRue, Marion, Meade, Nelson,
Test.
and Washington. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm and the Emergency Alert
The
System.
cap deck is about to
We
relay it.
now return you to regular programming.
Next up, Channel 5.
Now for the official National Weather
Actually,
Service
no, I'll be
forecast for north central Kentucky,
Channel
including
5.
Elizabethtown, Fort Knox, and Rough River Lake. Tonight, clear. Lows in the mid.
Well, that's the required weekly test for you, folks. Well, I'm just gonna wait for them to relay it on the cap stream. So, bear with me.